Hello students, good morning. Various Today we can be studying the topic system of classification. Various attempts made to classify the plants fall in one of the following three categories. First, artificial system of classification. Second, natural system of classification. Third, phylogenetic system of classification. So, discuss the artificial system of classification. It is the earliest system of classification where artificial systems and systems of the nature remained dominant into 300 BC up to the about 1830. Since very little information was available about the plants, these systems were based on one or a few characters. The artificial system propounded by the early herbalists were based on habitat like trees, shrubs, herbs, etc. and the lineage sexual system of floral character, particularly the number of stamens and carpels. Theophrastus in 370 to 287 BC, a Greek naturalist who is called the father of botany, was the pupil of the great philosopher Plato and Aristotle. He classified the plant into four groups on the basis of their habitat: herbs, undershrubs, shrubs, and trees. He gave the name and description to some 500 plants in his book Historia Plantarum, the oldest botanical work in existence. Because of wide usage, his names received general recognition, and some of them still appear as a generic name in the modern classification. Example, Daucan या Daucas and Asparagus या इसी को एस्पारगस भी कहते हैं. He pointed out fundamental differences between the dicotyledons and monocotyledons. Pandanian discoids in 62 to 120 AD, a physician of Asia Minor, described about 600 medicinal plants, mainly from the Mediterranean, on his book Materia Medica, written in a Greek language. Through this work has no taxonomic significance as compared with in modern system. There are certain series of the related plant indicating that discoids has some sense of relationship. Andrea Cisalpino in 1590 to 1603 AD, an Italian physician, was the author of De Plantis in 1583, which carries description over 1500 species of plants. Following Aristotelian classification, he divided the plant into two major groups based on the woody and herbaceous habit. He recognized the characters of fruit, seed, embryo in further grouping in plants. Gaspard Bauhin in 1560 to 1624 AD, a pupil of Funch, collected plants from the Italy, France, and Switzerland and described them in his book Prodromus Theatri Botanici. in 1620 and Phaenax Theatri Botanici in 1623. He also made first attempt to use the binomial system of nomenclature. John Ray in 1628 to 1705 AD was a British botanist, and he has produced the 3-volume of work, that is Historia Plantarum in 1686 to 1704, which contains as improved version of his system of classification. Originally proposed in the Methodus Plantarum Nova in 1682. His classification represents a notable advancement on that his predecessor and was an approach towards the natural system. Carolus Linnaeus in 1707 to 1778, a great Swedish naturalist, is rightly known the father of modern botany. He became interested in the study of natural history since his childhood. In 1730, he published Hortus Uplandicus, wherein he enumerated the plants of the Uppsala Botanical Garden in Sweden growing at that time. Later in 1737, he published his famous Hortus Cliffortianus based on the collection of plants in the garden of George Clifford at Hut Camp. His genera Plantarum and class Plantarum appeared in the 1737 and 1738 respectively. Linnaeus' Philosophia Botanica appeared in the 1751, which contained a revised version of his system of classification, published previously in the Classes Plantarum in 1738 and Systema Naturae in 1735. His book Species Plantarum was published in 1753, a work where some 7,300 species were described and arranged according to his sexual system of classification. In this book, Carolus Linnaeus introduced the consistent use of the binomial system of plant names. Linnaeus' system of classification is through artificial. He was the first to recognize the significance of flower and fruit structure. He recognized 24 classes determined on the basis of the number, size, and union of the stamen. The classes were subdivided into order based not on the character, but on his idea of their relationship. 24 classes of Linnaeus are follows. First, Monandria means stamen 1. Second, Diandria, stamen 2. Third, Triandria, Tetrandria, Pentandria, Hexandria, Heptandria, Octandria, Enandria, Decandria, that is stamen 10. Icosandria, Polyandria, Dynamia, Tetradynamia, Monadelphia. Monadelphia means stamen monadelphous. Didelphia, Polydelphia, Syngenesia, Gynandria, Monacia, Dioecia, Polygamia, and Cryptogamia. 24th are Cryptogamia, that is the flower concealed, that is एल्गी, फंजाई, मॉसेज, फर्न, जिसमें फ्लावर कैंसिल्ड होते हैं. This system of lineages, which largely depend on the number of stamens and carpels in the flower, was very simple and convenient and become very popular. It remains dominant from over 75 years until it was represented by the system of de Jussieu and de Candolle. Second is the natural system of classification. Linear system was the last among the artificial system of classification, through it did provide a fragment of the natural system of classification. The system that followed were based on the natural affinities. Bernard and Antony Laurent de Saussure and Augustin de Candolle made significant contribution on this direction. Antony Laurent de Saussure in 1686 to 1758, a French botanist, published his system in final form in 1789 in his book Genera Plantarum. He particularly taken into consideration and position of the stamen with respect of the ovary and divided into plant in 15 classes. These classes were further divided into 100 natural orders, equivalent to our present day families. This Jussieu abandoned the Aristotelian concept of the habitat, and he gave emphasis on the number of cotyledons, the presence and absence of petals, and the position of petals and stamens. Augustin Pyramide de Candolle in 1778 to 1841, a French botanist, published his view on the classification in his classical work Theoria Elementaria de la Botanique. They are published in 1813 in Paris. In this work, he set forth of the principle of natural system of classification and further developed morphological approaches to the classification. The system of de Candolle was similar to that of de Jussieu in many respects, but it was certain an improvement over that later, particularly in the treatment of the dicotyledons. He divided the dicotyledons into two groups on the basis of free or fused petals, and the former was further divided on the basis of position of ovary. The plan of de Candolle system is as follows. First, vasculars, plant with vascular bundle oblique cotyledons, that is a class 1 exogyne and class 2 endogyne. Class 1 exogyne dicotyledony, vascular bundles arranged in a ring, cotyledons 2, that are divided into two parts, A. diploclamidae, B. monoclamidae. Class 2 endogyne, that is a monocotyledony, vascular bundle scattered, cotyledons 1, that are divided into two parts, phanerogams means flower present, cryptogams flower absent, hidden or unknown. And second are cellulars, plants without vascular bundles or cotyledons, that are divided into two classes. Class 1 foliaceae, that is a leafy and sexual, includes mosses and liverbirds. Class 2 aphyllae, leafless and without known sexes, algae, fungi and lichens. The natural system of classification is the famous system of Bentham and Hooker system of classification. George Bentham in 1800 to 1884, and Joseph Dalton Hooker in 1870 to 1911. The two British botanists who were associated with the Royal Botanical Garden, Kew, England, they are joined their forces to bring out a genera plantarum in 1862 to 1883, were presented their outstanding system of the classification. This was the greatest taxonomic work ever produced in the United Kingdom and has ever since even an inspiration to the generation of Kew botanists. This 3-volume monumental work, which required quarter of the countries. The first part of the Genera Plantarum appeared in July 1862 and the last part is April 1883. The outline of the classification in Bentham and Hooker that are divided into seed plants into dicotyledons, gymnosperm and monocotyledons. The places renals in the beginning and grasses at the end. The following summary of the Bentham-Hooker system of classification. First, a dicotyledons that can be divided into 3 parts. First, polypetalae, second, gamopetalae and third, monoclamidae. First, polypetalae, corolla of distinct petals that are divided into 3 series. Series first, thalmiflory, petals and stamen hypogynous. Series second, deciflory, petals and stamen hypogynous, and the nectiferous disc surrounded at the base of the ovary. And third, calciflory, petals and stamens perigynous or sometimes epigynous. Second, gamopetalae, corolla of united petals that can be divided into 3 series. First, inferi, second, heteromeri and third, bicarpellate. First, inferi, ovary inferior, second, heteromeri, ovary superior, stamen as many or twice as many as corolla lobes, carpels more than 2. Bicarpellate, ovary superior, stamen as many as the corolla lobes or fewer, carpels usually 2. Third, monoclamidae, petals absent, that can be divided into 8 series. Series first, curvembri. Series second, multiovulate aquatici. Third, multiovulate terrestris. Fourth, micromembri. Fifth, daphneals. Sixth, echlamidospori. Seventh, unisexuals. And eighth, ordinis anomali. B, gymnospermi and C, monocotyledini या monocotyledons. Monocotyledons divided into 7th series. Series first, microspermi. Series second, epigyni. Series third, coronarini. Series fourth, calicini. Series fifth, nudiflory. Series sixth, apocarpi. And series seventh, glumaceae. That is a third and the phylogenetic system of the classification. The outlook of taxonomy was changed with the publication of Origin of Species by the Darwin in 1859. The system of this period are based on the course of evolutionary descent, and they tried to reflect the genetic and phylogenetic relationship. Phylogenetic system, however, were a matter of fact not based on the actual phylogeny, but on what their author had believed to be the phylogeny. The author of most of these systems have emphasized on the certain pre-selected characters which they considered of the phylogenetic importance. The most widely known phylogenetic systems are those Engler and Prentl in 1887 to 1899, Hutchinson in 1926, 34, 48, 59, 1969, 1973, Takhtajan in 1969, 1980, and Carnquist in 1968, 1981. Adolf Engler 1844 to 1930 and Carl A. Prentl 1849 to 1893, the two German botanists published 20 volumes of the work Die Naturaliken Familien in 1887 to 1899, wherein they classified the plant of the world from algae to angiosperm according to their system of classification. The significant feature of their system is that they placed monocotyledons before dicotyledons, considered the orchids to be more highly evolved than the grasses, and Epipetalus of the catkin bearing dicotyledons as a primitive to the one with flower which bears petals. The following is the outline of Engler and Prentl classification of Engler and Prentl system of the classification. Class first, monocotyledons divided into 11 orders: Pandonales, Halobae, Triuridales, Glumiflori, Principes, Syntheti, Spathiflori, Phrynosi, Liliflori, Cytimeni, and Microspermi. Class 2, dicotyledons. They are divided into two subclasses: Archiclamidae, that are in 14 orders, and subclass Metaclamidae in 10 orders. Hutchinson system of the classification. Hutchinson divided angiospermi traditionally into two subphylum, dicotyledons and monocotyledons. Dicotyledons were further divided into two divisions, Lignosi and Herbaceae. Lignosi are the fundamentally woody groups. It contains trees, shrubs, and some herbs, clearly divided into they are related to other woody plants. Herbaceae, a fundamental herbaceous group including herbs and rarely shrubs. A outline of Hutchinson system of classification presented below. Phylum Angiospermi, subphylum Dicotyledons. They are divided into division first, Lignosi, and they have been divided 82 orders. Subphylum 2, Monocotyledons. They are divided into three divisions. First, Calciflori. They are 12 orders. Division second, Coroliferi. There are 14 orders, and division third, Glumiflori. There are 3 divisions. Thank you, students.